following presentation is a guide and does not in any way encourage anyone to do the same or copy things done here. Please always take care of your safety and do not do things that could lead to injury or death. The maker of this presentation took care to make decisions that were safe. We ask you to do likewise when dealing with flammable liquids, fireboxes, camping gas cookers and the like. Always use in a well ventilated area and on a stable platform so that no tipping can occur. We thank you for watching and hope that this could be of any use to you. Due to the COVID-19 lockdown, there will be very few outdoor presentations. We apologise for this, and service will be resumed as soon as possible. Thank you. Hello and welcome to this presentation of what I use for cooking. On the screen you can see a methylated spirits burner, a wood burner and a gas burner. You can also see in the bottom right hand corner a sponge and cloth for cleaning. In the bottom right is the cloth bag and the box which the wood burner and the gas stove come in. Above left is a cup for drinking out of and a cycling water bottle. Across from that, on to the right, is a mess tin kit, titanium cooking kit, a bottle of methylated spirits for the spirit burner, and the tin that some of these cookers go into. You might have seen in one of my other videos. The whole point of this is to show you what I use when I'm cooking at camp. So we'll go out for this and then we'll go shortly to showing them actually in use. Please be careful what you do when you're using spirit burners. First, let's light the transient burner. As it heats up, eventually the flames will come out the small jets pouring around the outside. This is a snuffer. It'll put out the flame, just like that. This is the spirit burner. No, it's not. It's the wood burner. It takes a while to catch. See, you get a bit here and there. Now what I'm using there is some bits of the roof cladding that next door was using, and it fell into my garden by an escapers. It'll start to burn soon. Not so much from that side, but hang on a minute. Start it. Let's just try that again. This burner cost £7.77, delivered from China. You can see that if the idiot gets its lid, what's in there is some spectacle wipes. They have alcohol on them, which helps them to burn a bit more. Yeah, much fingers, you idiot. That's better. And then we get a burn. So it takes a couple of minutes to get going. But once it does, it's alright. And as you can see, it starts to flame up nicely. Now what I would normally do is have some other wood I will put on after this to catch. As you can see, I'm doing it outdoors. So when I do this kind of thing indoors, carbon monoxide poisoning kills. And that will give off a lot of carbon monoxide. And away it goes. Look at that. Isn't that good? It won't take long to get that going again. Hope to have another video very soon. Thanks very much. Happy Easter. Ta-da.